We've just finished renovating our bathroom. It looks amazing and we're really happy with how it's turned out. Our old bathroom just had no storage space and it was not user-friendly in the slightest. It had cork floors, floral tiling, peach sink and a giant mirror above the bath. It kind of looked like it hadn't been touched since the house was built back in the 80s and really needed an overhaul. We planned on the Reno taking 1 month and the process was roughly plan the layout, chose the sink and tapware, then I got my quotes and booked the tradies, and then it was straight into the build and then installation. The state of it at the moment, we've ripped off all the old jib, pulled out all the old bathroom items, and we've got it ready for our tradies to come in and fit all the new fittings. So on site today, we've got 2 plumbers and 1 sparky.
Today we're just doing the pre-wire and the pre-plumbing on the bathroom. We've got the pipes going in, we've got the Reno gas hot water going in on the other side. I'm just wiring the underfloor heating now, and then we are good to go.
All my tapware's arrived, and because I ordered it through a brochure, I finally get to see it in person for the first time. So this is our basin mixer. It's really the star of the show in the bathroom. For overall bathroom ideas, I kind of looked first at Pinterest and looked at the style that I actually liked. Originally we were going to go for chrome, but a friend of mine actually recommended going for the brushed stainless, so no matter how many times I touch it, it doesn't leave any fingerprints, which is great for cleaning. I really wanted kind of just a simple modern finish, but also with a little bit of indulgence and luxury in some of the fittings as well. It's beautiful. I don't know if you can say that about a mixer, but yeah. It's been pretty hard living without a bathroom for 2 months, but now that it's all done, we're so glad and it looks amazing. My partner really wanted to see some colour in the bathroom because the rest of our house is quite neutral. So the blue is Resin Coast, which is a beautiful deep colour, but it's not too overwhelming in the space. We really love that there is actually more storage space now and then it's not so crammed. It's so much easier to clean, it actually looks good. I think the shower is probably our biggest win. It's massive, it's got a sliding door and extendable hose and it just looks amazing. One of the lessons I've learned is to actually add another 20% onto your existing budget just because of unforeseen things that you didn't think of. So even with my partner as a sparky, we still found that there were challenges that we didn't actually foresee in the first place. And I think that this is because it was the first time both of us was doing up a bathroom. The new bathroom is such an enjoyable space to be in now. Every time I go in there, I just get a massive smile on my face and I just love using it.